Hi, today in this video I will explain how to extract images from PDF document using Visual Studio and C# programming language. Also, I will show you how to extract images from a Word document. In this video, I will teach you very useful techniques that can be used in your C# programming. So stay tuned and watch the video to the end. The source code link, it will be available in the description below. So this is my project in Visual Studio. It's called RPC Technology. It's a software that I am publishing it on my website, rpchost.com, and it is available for all my visitors. So I will not enter into the process of creating a new project and new solution. I will consider the viewers are advanced viewers, and I will start from here. So the project main page is of FRM main, and as you see, there is tools, extract Word images, extract PDF images. So I will begin with extract PDF images. So when you click the extract tool strip menu, it will take you here. It will open the form of PDF extract images. So let's go to this form. This is the form PDF extract images. In this form, you select your PDF file, the source, and you select the output folder, the destination, and you click extract images. So in the select your PDF, you just open file dialog, which is filtered only to PDF files. It will show you only PDF files, and it will write the file name that you choose in the text box. The same thing for the select the destination folder. In the destination folder, we will specify the folder location where the images will be extracted. So in the text box, after you select the location, it will be residing in this text box. I remind you that the source code link, it will be in the description below. You can go to the page and you can use the source code as you want. So we return to PDF images, we double click it. So we go to PDF extract images. We are inside of this form. So let's see what's the extract images button do. So if the source is filled and the destination is filled, we will go and execute this function. This function is simply, it takes the input file and the output folder and it processes it. Let me tell you first what references we need to install in our project. All you need to install is the OpenXml and the GroupDocs parser. How to do it? It's very easy. Packages. So you search for OpenXml, and this is it, DocumentFormat.OpenXml, and you install it. You also search for GroupDocs parser, and you install it. And this is only what we need in our project. So we return back to the function getGraphFormatReport. In this function is processing, it's nothing except a boolean to to make this button enabled or disabled. So first thing, we take the input file, the PDF file, the source file, and we read all the bytes of this file into the doc variable. And with the stream, now we have the stream, we get all the images in the PDF document using this instruction. This instruction is using the GroupDocs.parser package that we already installed. So if there is no images, we pop up a message box to the user telling it that there is no images in the PDF document. If there is images, we iterate through these images and we extract these images into the output folder location. So, and we pop up some message boxes to the user telling him that all the images extracted successfully, or there is no images, or no images found. Mainly this is it. There is nothing important. You can use this piece of code in your programming. So now let's see the Word document, how to extract images from the Word document. So this is the form of the Word document with the same methodology as we used previously in the PDF. We extract the images, the same thing. We go to the graph. Also, we convert the Word document into bytes, and we use the stream to iterate through the images. We iterate here to the image through the images, and every image we save it in the location. So let's run the program and to see how it works. So tools, extract PDF images, select your PDF. I have a receipt from the internet company, and the destination folder is, let's see, on my desktop, output, extract images, because it is async, so you can do other things while it is processing. So all images extracted successfully. Okay, I can open this button to go and to see the extracted images in the output folder. This is it. There is 2 images in this PDF document. The same thing we can do it for the Word document also.